In this video I will show you how to create box mockup in Adobe Photoshop. Now we will select this image by pressing Ctrl A, press Ctrl C, copy this image. Create a new layer. Go to Filter and choose Vanishing Point. Selection the box. Now we will press Ctrl and drag downwards. Press Ctrl V, paste this image. Shift press rotate this image. Adjust the images. Press OK. Change the blending option to multiply. Right-click and choose blending option. Alt-press move. Press OK. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.